Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out Meow DDI RO RI MV. I saw the teaser and they're using a sample of a famous classical song. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba. I don't know how to do it. Anyways, let's get into Meow. It's been a minute since I checked them out and I'm very curious. All right, in 3, 2, 1. That one. There we go. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ooh. Oh, it's some Pop Smoke. What is happening? Classical trap.
What's the deal? You gon' see Jack, I feel arenas.
Ooh. Hey, talk about it. Wait, the production's crazy. Oh, they climbing on walls? Or what? No. That was upside down. Oh, the vampire. Oh, that was a Stairmaster? I love that one. I love Stairmasters. Okay. I got you. Whoa. Like a threat? Oh, there's an audience in the background? Damn. Ooh, a piece of bread. Blueprint. The new shit. Black? You? Okay. Okay. What's that pet? Is that a pet mouse? Being pet? Like a fiend. Hey, outside? Oh, she's slaying. They slaying for real. I need that Stairmaster right there. Yeah. Hey. New shit. You know I'm the blueprint. New shit. Okay, change up. What the fuck? The hell am I watching? What is this? What the hell? Hey. You hear that? Okay. Oh my God. Okay, wait a second. Why didn't I not think Dee? What is that song from? What is it called? Dee. What was the sample of it? Straight from the beginning. Is she sitting in a bucket or being pulled up? Ooh, yeah. Dee. I was wondering why it looks so like fast-paced. Not fast-paced, but like clean. Something that I'm not used to in music videos, so this is a lot different. Oh, she's slaying right here, bro. That hair from Korea to Ibiza, they all look good. They always be slaying though. Face card never decline. Ooh. Dope shot. Oh my god. And they're literally telling the story here. Repeat for perfection? The Stairmaster? Me too, girl. Love-hate relationship with that machine. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Meow's D. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Like I said at the beginning, if you're not the shiny, I can't trust you. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link for my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.